Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called Don't Go To Kindergarten by Lisa Robinson, illustrated by Etta Cabin. On the first day of kindergarten, Emma raided the sea chest. Treasure map, check. Spyglasses, check. Cutlass, check. She was ready to set sail. Only if Captain Chew, the roughest, toughest, awesomest preschool pirate captain ever could see her now. After a stormy crossing, Emma finally dropped her anchor at school. She scanned her treasure map. Kindergarten ho! But instead of boarding the kindergarten ship, she sailed into preschool. Ahoy, Captain Chew! Emma hollered. Ahoy, good to see you, Emma, said Mrs. Chew. But the kindergarten classroom down the hall. Emma peered through her spyglass. Wrong classroom, wrong chewbies, wrong toys. Worst of all, wrong captain. Pirates don't go to kindergarten, said Emma. Ocean's rough today, said Captain Chew. Batten down the hatches, mateys. I'm rowing this sailor to her new ship. Emma met Captain Hayes. She's in charge of the spaceship. Welcome, you're just in time for liftoff, said Mrs. Hayes. Emma leaped onto the gangway and started through the hatch. Stars, planets, rocket ships? But a new captain? No. Arr! Emma growled. You'll never take me alive. Splash! Emma swam back to Captain Chew's ship. Thump, clump. She stomped her peg leg. Scrunch, splat. She dug for doubloons and scattered sand. Yo ho ho! She sang at the top of her lungs. Pirate Emma, you know the rules, said Mrs. Chew. No throwing sand, and use your inside voice, please. Pirates don't follow rules. A kindergartner poked her head through a porthole. Mrs. Hayes needs a hand feeding the guinea pig. Can Emma come? Hi, Danila, said Mrs. Chew. Emma, they need your help on the other side, on the other ship. A guinea pig in need? Aye, aye, Captain. Back at kindergarten spaceship, Daniela gave Emma a tour. She introduced Emma to lots of busy astronauts before taking her to see some special cargo. Say hello to our guinea pig, Betty. Betty, blimey, she's a pirate pig. I'm gonna call her Beastie Betty. After she snuggled and fed the pirate pig, Emma inspected the kindergarten spaceship. There was a nature center, but no Captain Chew to look at seeds with. An art studio, but no Captain Chew to show her paintings to. A reading nook, but no Captain Chew to read books to her. There was even some astronauts doing experiments at a science station, but still no Captain Chew. Pirates don't feed pigs! Splash! Emma swam back to Captain Chew's ship. Emma mustered some mates and seized control of the preschool ship. Munity! The pirate band sneered and snarled, whooped and hollered, raced up the rigging, and climbed to the crow's nest. Whooped and hollered. Oh wait, never mind. Then one by one they fell asleep. Hey, pirates don't take naps. I've come to parley, said Mrs. Chew. How do I get my ship back? Come with me to kindergarten. But I have to lead this new band of pirates. Then walk the plank. Emma brandished her cutlass. Tie her up, mates. It's time to join your new mates, Miss Chew said. Kindergarten looks like fun, Emma whispered. But I'm going to sail with a new captain. Shiver me timbers, Pegleg Emma. Captain Hayes is the finest captain in the universe. Emma slid closer. But she's not you. I'll miss you. Miss Chew hunged Emma. Can pirates visit their own old captain and borrow their bandana? Of course. Mrs. Hayes rode into the room. We're short one crew member for a spaceship. Can you spare someone brave and strong like Emma? Heave ho, shark bait! The astronauts and the Beastie Betty need me. Emma swam away from Captain Chew's ship. Splash! Open the shuttle hatch. Pirates don't go to kindergarten. Space Pirate Emma reporting for duty. I hope you enjoyed this book/video.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!